Hello there! Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just planning your first getaway, there's always a sense of excitement in the air before a trip. When you pack for a trip, you probably think of your passport, clothes, maybe a book, those essentials that make travel smooth and enjoyable. But there's one item that should always make the cut: sunscreen. It's often overlooked, but it's just as important as anything else in your bag. Sunscreen is your silent guardian, no matter if you're heading to a sunny beach or a snowy mountain. The sun's rays don't take a vacation, and neither should your protection. It's as essential as your ticket or toothbrush. In fact, it's the one thing that helps you enjoy every other part of your trip without worry. Many people think sunscreen is just for hot sunny days, but the sun's rays reach us even on cloudy days. Up to 80% of UV rays can pass through clouds, so your skin is still at risk. Think of sunscreen as insurance for your skin, like a seatbelt for your adventures. You wouldn't skip buckling up, so why skip this simple step? It's a small action that offers huge protection, keeping your travel memories free from sunburn and long-term damage. A few seconds of care can save you from days of discomfort. The sun feels good and helps us make vitamin D, but too much can be harmful. Overexposure can lead to premature aging, sunburn, and even increase your risk of skin cancer. Sunscreen lets us enjoy the outdoors safely, from ancient ruins to city streets without worrying about the sun's effects. It's your ticket to exploring the world with confidence. It empowers us to be adventurous and smart about our health. With sunscreen, you can focus on making memories, not on avoiding the sun. So let's explore why sunscreen is one of the most powerful health tools you can pack. It's lightweight, easy to use, and fits into any travel plan. We'll look at what it does, how it works, and how to make it a simple part of your travel routine. You'll see how easy it is to protect yourself, wherever you go. My goal isn't to scare you, but to empower you with knowledge. When you understand the benefits, you'll never want to leave home without it. Understanding sunscreen means making smart choices for a lifetime of healthy travels. It's about enjoying every journey to the fullest, while taking care of yourself. Ready? Let's dive in and make sunscreen your ultimate travel companion. You'll be surprised at how much of a difference it can make, because the best adventures are the ones you can enjoy for years to come. Let's get started on this journey to safer, happier travels. The sun is the source of all life on Earth, a force so powerful that it shapes our days, our seasons, and even the rhythms of our bodies. It gives us light, warmth, and energy, fueling the plants we eat and the air we breathe, and making outdoor moments memorable. Sunlight lifts our spirits, brightens our mood, and helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. But the sun also sends out invisible ultraviolet radiation, UV rays, that can harm our skin even when we can't see or feel them. The Earth's atmosphere blocks some UV, but plenty still reaches us, especially during midday or at higher altitudes. UV rays are present all year, in any weather, and can damage your skin even when it's cool or cloudy. You might not feel the heat, but the risk is still there. Clouds only block a small fraction of UV rays, so you're still at risk on overcast days. That's why it's important to be mindful, no matter the forecast. That's why sunburn can sneak up on you, even when you least expect it. Sometimes you only notice the damage hours later, when your skin turns red and sore. Respecting the sun's power means understanding both its benefits and its risks, and making choices that protect your health for the long term. It's not about avoiding the sun, but about living in harmony with it. Finding balance so you can enjoy the outdoors safely and confidently, enjoy the warmth and light, but use tools like sunscreen, hats, and sunglasses to protect yourself from harm. This knowledge lets you be proactive about your health, not reactive. Planning ahead means you can make the most of every sunny day. With the right habits, you can enjoy the sun safely, wherever your travels take you, whether you're hiking, sightseeing, or just relaxing outside. The sun is both a friend and a foe, so let's be smart about how we enjoy it, making choices that keep us healthy and happy. Sunscreen is your key to making the most of every sunny day, letting you soak up the best parts of the sun while staying protected. Stay safe, and let the sun enhance your adventures, not cut them short. With a little care, you can enjoy every bright moment the world has to offer. Let's break down UV radiation into two main types, UVA and UVB. Remember, A for aging and B for burning. UVB rays cause sunburn and mostly affect the skin's surface. They're strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., especially in summer and near the equator. UVB can also reflect off surfaces like snow and water, increasing your exposure. UVA rays penetrate deeper, causing wrinkles and skin aging by breaking down collagen. UVA is constant all day, all year, and can even pass through clouds and glass. Both UVA and UVB increase your risk of skin cancer. That's why you need protection from both, every single day. Look for broad spectrum on your sunscreen. It means you're covered from both types of rays. Broad spectrum sunscreen is your complete shield against sun damage. So how does sunscreen protect you? It acts as a shield, either reflecting or absorbing UV rays before they can harm your skin. There are two main types: physical, mineral, and chemical. Physical sunscreens use minerals like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide to reflect rays away. They sit on top of your skin and work immediately. Chemical sunscreens use organic compounds to absorb UV rays and turn them into harmless heat. They're lightweight and need about 20 minutes to become effective. Both types are safe and effective. Choose what works for your skin. The key is to use sunscreen every day, not just when you're at the beach. Sunscreen doesn't mean unlimited sun time, but it does make your time outdoors safer. Protect your skin now, and it will thank you for years to come. Make sunscreen your first line of defense on every adventure. Choosing sunscreen doesn't have to be confusing. Check 3 things on the label: SPF, broad spectrum, and water resistance. SPF 30 is a great starting point, blocking about 97% of UVB rays. Broad spectrum means you're protected from both UVA and UVB. Water resistance is crucial if you'll be swimming or sweating. Look for 40 or 80 minutes on the label. No sunscreen is fully waterproof, so always reapply after swimming or heavy sweating. Pick a formula that suits your skin: creams for dry skin, gels for oily, sprays for convenience. The best sunscreen is the one you'll use every day. Don't forget to check the expiration date. Old sunscreen won't protect you. Find a sunscreen you enjoy applying, and make it part of your daily routine. With the right product, sun protection becomes effortless. Smart choices now mean healthier skin for life. Make sunscreen your go-to, wherever you go. Buying sunscreen is only half the battle. Applying it right is just as important. Most people don't use enough. You need about 1 ounce, a shot glass full, to cover exposed skin. Apply before you go outside, especially if you're using chemical sunscreen. Give it 20 minutes to absorb. Make it part of your morning routine before you get dressed. Don't forget easy-to-miss spots: ears, back of neck, tops of feet, and the part in your hair. Use SPF lip balm for your lips. Add a hat and sunglasses for extra protection. Reapply every 2 hours or more often if you're swimming or sweating. Set a reminder if you tend to forget. Consistent reapplication is the secret to staying protected all day. Make sunscreen a habit, not an afterthought. Your skin will thank you, now and in the future. Even with the best intentions, people make mistakes with sunscreen. It's easy to overlook small details that can make a big difference in how well you're protected from the sun's harmful rays. Don't rely on sunscreen alone. Seek shade and wear protective clothing too. Wide-brimmed hats, sunglasses, and long sleeves add extra layers of defense, especially during peak sun hours. A high SPF doesn't mean you can stay in the sun longer. All sunscreens need reapplication every 2 hours. Sweat, swimming, and even towel drying can remove sunscreen, so set a reminder to reapply. SPF 30 blocks 97% of UVB, SPF 50 blocks 98%. The difference is small, so don't be fooled by big numbers. What matters most is applying enough and reapplying often. Always check the expiration date. Expired sunscreen won't protect you. Sunscreen ingredients can break down over time, losing their effectiveness. If it looks or smells off, toss it and get a new one. Fresh sunscreen is key to proper protection. Don't skip sunscreen on cloudy, cool, or winter days. UV rays are still there. Up to 80% of UV rays can penetrate clouds, so daily use is important year-round. Snow, sand, and water reflect UV, increasing your exposure. These surfaces can bounce rays back onto your skin, doubling the risk of sunburn. If it's daytime, you need sun protection, no matter the weather. Even short walks or errands can add up to significant sun exposure. Make sunscreen a daily habit, not just for vacations. Incorporate it into your morning routine, just like brushing your teeth. Avoid these common mistakes and your skin will stay healthier, longer. Consistent protection helps prevent premature aging and reduces your risk of skin cancer. Sunscreen is your everyday shield. Use it wisely. Make it a habit to check your sunscreen's quality and coverage. Protect yourself and enjoy the sun safely. With the right habits, you can have fun outdoors without worry. Smart habits now mean fewer regrets later. Your future self will thank you for taking sun protection seriously today. Sunburn is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to sun damage. The real harm happens deep in your skin, often showing up years later. UVA rays break down collagen, causing wrinkles, sagging, and dark spots. Unprotected sun exposure accelerates aging and uneven skin tone. The most serious risk is skin cancer, the most common cancer worldwide, mostly caused by UV radiation. Both UVA and UVB damage your skin's DNA, and repeated exposure can lead to cancer. Regular sunscreen use dramatically lowers your risk. It's never too late to start protecting your skin. Every application is an investment in your future health. Sunscreen isn't just for today, it's for a lifetime of healthy, youthful skin. Make it a habit and you're protecting yourself for years to come. We've explored the science, the risks, and the solutions. Sunscreen isn't optional. It's essential for every adventure, big or small. Treat it like your passport or water bottle, never leave home without it. By making sunscreen a daily habit, you're giving yourself the gift of health and peace of mind. The sun shines everywhere, not just on vacation. Protect yourself at home too. Daily sunscreen is the simplest, most powerful way to keep your skin healthy and youthful. On your next trip, pack that broad-spectrum SPF 30+ sunscreen. Apply it generously, reapply often, and wear it with pride. You're not hiding from the world, you're ready to explore it for years to come. Enjoy the sunshine, enjoy your travels, and know you're doing the best for your skin. More tips, visit www.williguru.com and check out the short for this video and all my other videos. Safe travels and happy adventures.